Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. So this is Jenny. I'm going to share a very easy yet beautiful Independence Day card which you can make with very simple instruments and with very simple colors. When whatever is available in your house, you can use that to decorate the card. So here is the basic things that you need. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so now I am bordering the card with a green sketch pen. If you want, you can make it tricolor or use orange sketch pen also. So after the bordering part, I'll be doing the Ashoka wheel. So guys, if you like my idea of making cards and DIYs, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you want more such videos, then please do subscribe to our channel. So now I'm going to draw the wheel over here. Last video I made some DIY Harry Potter school supplies. So if you are a Potterhead and if you like Harry Potter, then don't forget to see that video. I'll give the link in the description box. Go there and check it out. I hope you will like that video too. Okay, so for now I'm drawing the spokes. The circle is done. Now I'm going to draw the spokes. 24 spokes are there in our Indian national flag's emblem. Yeah. Okay. So after sketching the Ashoka chakra, it looks something like this. Now I'm gonna border this with blue pen. You can use sketch pens also, but I will be bordering it with blue dot. So by the way, I'd like to ask you a question, and it is that a background music is going on. So which song's music is that? Instrumental music is that? Comment in the comment box, and the first correct comment will get a very good reply from us. Be the first one to comment. Okay, after drawing everything, just keep on erasing so that any extra marks of pencil shouldn't be there. So we are done with our wheel and it looks pretty good. Okay, so now I'll draw. After completing the wheel, I'll draw two hands, one green and one. So basically I'll not color the whole hand, I'll just border it. This is how my drawing looks. So now I'm gonna border it. Border the hands. The lower end I'll color with green color, and the upper portion I'll color with orange color. So if you want to fill the hands totally, you can do that. It's totally optional. If you want, you can do that, but I prefer doing only borders, and I'll just color the nails. So this is the pen stand that I had made, Hedwig's pen stand, in the previous video, Harry Potter's video. If you like this, then go and check the video with the link in the description box. So now I'm bordering the lower hand with green color, green pencil color actually. Now I'll border the upper hand with orange pencil color. So now I'm coloring the nails with the same pencil colors. So it looks something like this, and it's looking very beautiful for me. Okay, now I'm going to take a wet brush and then just means apply some of the wetness, the moisture from above of the wheel. It will give a good texture. And applying the wet brush, it will look more bluey type, and it will look more good actually. It is optional. If you don't want to wait it, you don't, but I like it. I prefer doing this, so that's why I did. So we are done. Now let it dry for some time and then erase and every excess things. So now write any quotes whatever you want. I'm writing Happy Independence Day with again tricolor. I'll color happy with green color, independence with blue color, and day with orange color. If you want, you can make that cereal tricolor also, but still it just needs to be tricolor. It does not mean that orange then white and then green only. So write whatever you want, any quotes. So this is how it looks after sketching, and for me it looks great. So for now we'll make the pop-up from inside, and the pop-up that I am going to make is the most simplest way of making card. It looks good, but it's very easy to make. So see how I'm making it. Now paste that inside pop-up card into your real card with the help of a glue. After that, decorate the card with whichever things you are having. Decorate with that, all will look good. I'm pasting balloons in the pop-up. If you want to paste flags, that would look more great. I just pasted green and orange balloons, and then I decorated it by writing again Happy Independence Day. I wrote India, and then I decorated it with some flowers, artificial flowers, and that's all. So now I'm pasting the balloons in the same way you can paste Indian flags also. It would look more patriotic. So guys, so this was today's video, and this is the result of the card. Hope you have liked this. So I would like to wish everyone a very happy Independence Day in advance. Happy and safe, of course. Stay home, stay safe. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Allah Hafiz.